Hey guys, it's Ava. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So today I'm in a different setup. We're gonna get to that in a second, but basically today I'm doing my everyday makeup. I don't wear makeup every day, so this is kind of just like what I wear when I don't want to go down to my filming room and get all my makeup, and it's kind of just what I do. Like if I just want to, like, if I'm going over somewhere or if I'm going like out, I just like do my makeup in my room, and it's just like simple, pretty wearable makeup. So as I was saying, I'm in a different setup. That's because I'm in my room. Where I film is downstairs in my basement. I used to film here, but I made like a beauty room. So basically I just have my little bucket of makeup that I use, and I'm gonna just show you guys the products. These products aren't my favorite, so like I'm fine without filming them downstairs, but they're also not bad, so it doesn't look like really bad when I wear makeup out. So yeah, that's really it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Oh, by the way, behind this is like my desk slash vanity. Not really a vanity, kind of a desk. Kind of both. It's where I do my makeup, but it's also like sometimes where I do my homework. I usually do my homework on my bed. But I face my desk this way, but for the sake of this video, I'm not. So if I look awkward, then like that's why. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any requests. That's really all I have to say, so without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so up here I have two primers. I have my e.l.f. Illuminating Face Primer and my Rimmel Lasting Finish. I like this one better because this one is kind of just like sparkles on your face, but it does give you a little bit of illumination, but I'm feeling kind of greasy, so I'm going to use this one. So I'm just going to take a little bit and then just rub this in, and it's really moisturizing and nice, so I'm just prepping my skin for makeup. So then I'm going to use my Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation. So I'm just going to apply it on the back of my hand and then apply it to my face. It's a little bit dark for me, but like it's fine. And then I'm going to take this e.l.f. foundation brush and just blend this into my skin. Okay, then I'm going to take this Wet n Wild concealer, and this is in the shade Light Medium Beige, and just apply this under my eye, and I'm just gonna blend this with the same brush. Okay, so then I'm taking this Wet n Wild contouring palette. I have two of these, so the other one is downstairs, and this is in the shade Caramel Toffee. I like this this shade better than Dolce de Leche because it's like too light for me. So I'm taking the lighter shade, and I'm just going to set everywhere I put that concealer. And I'm also just going to take a little bit of it and kind of just apply that everywhere, so I just powder everything up. Okay, and then I'm just going to take the darker shade and bronze my face. I'm not going to contour because I don't have time for that. So this is like a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to apply it on my cheeks and a little on the forehead. So sometimes I skip blush because I just don't want it, but this gives like a nice glow to the face because it kind of has a little bit of sparkles. So yeah. Okay, then for a highlighter, I have this highlighter palette from Smashbox, and I'm gonna take the middle shade. Honestly, all these shades kind of work for me, so that's why it's good to keep up here, because I could just take any one I want. And I'm just going to highlight my face and make it a little bit more glowy. I do like my everyday makeup to be a little bit more glowy than most of my videos because it's just a little more natural. I don't know why I feel like so uncomfortable right now. Like this is literally like the same exact tutorial. I just am in a different spot, but I just feel so out of place right now. And for my eyebrows, I have this Wet n Wild eyebrow kit, and I have just like this ratchet eyebrow duo brush, but this spoolie broke off from e.l.f., so I'm taking the darker shade. And then I'm just going to fill in any sparse area. And then I'm going to take the lighter shade and just apply that to the front of my eyebrows, doing like hair-like strokes. I'm going to take some of that Wet n Wild concealer, and with a flat brush, I'm going to prime the eyes and also carve out the brows. And then I'm kind of just blending it with my finger here. And then I just go back into that Wet n Wild palette and just set the eyes so we don't have any creasing. And I'm just going to add a little bit of this Ulta Brow Gel. It's really good, and I'm pretty sure it's pretty cheap. I got it in like a gift set. Okay, so next for eyeshadow we have the Morphe 35F palette. We're going to mix at the bottom the third and fourth shade, and with a fluffy brush I'm just blending this into my crease. And then we're going to take this dark like cinnamon shade on the close to the end, and apply this to the outer corner and a little in the crease. I'm then just going to take the second shade in the palette and just highlight my brow bone with that. And then I'm going to take this shade that's on the end on the top row and apply this on my lid. It is so pretty. Then I'm just going to use those matte shades I used before and apply this onto my lower lash line. And then once again taking that second shade and applying it into my inner corners. Next we're going to curl my lashes. This is super important for a very wearable look because it'll just like make your eyes pop. And then I'm going to take my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara and just apply a thin layer of this because it can get a little bit chunky. And then for lips, I take this Milani lipstick in the shade Naturally Chic. And I just kind of dab this on. I don't fully put it on. And then rub my lips together. This is basically just like my lip color, but I love this lipstick. And sometimes I skip this, but I'm not going to today because why not? I'm not in a rush. I'm going to take my Too Faced Honey Lip Gloss and just apply this. Just take my hair down. And this is the finished look, guys. It's really simple and wearable and super cute and pretty, and I am obsessed with it. I love doing this look because it's so easy. And this is it. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any requests. That's really all to say. So hope you guys have a great, wonderful day or night wherever you are. And yeah, bye.